Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna review two products that are sent to me by the brand. Yes, the brand was kind enough to send me these two products which I'm going to review in this video, and everything that I'm gonna tell you about these products are going to be 100% genuine. So the products that I received are from Bella Vita Organic. You might have heard of this brand. It is so good and so hyped in the market, and now we have to see whether it's right or not. So I received these two products from the brand. This is their eye cream and this is a perfume which I am going to review in this video. So the first product that I received from the brand is Eye Lift Under Eye Gel Cream, and this is how this product looks like. So the ingredients, like the active ingredients in this cream is cucumber, almond and vitamin E, and this is the New Age Ayurveda, and the quantity is 20 grams and it retails for rupees 499. And now it helps in repair dark circles, it helps in reducing puffy eyes, it works as an anti-wrinkle and anti-aging eye lotion, which I always search in my under eye creams. Like, this is what I need in my under eye creams. Now I'm gonna insert a clip here so that you can see how you need to apply it under your eyes and how much amount you need for this cream. So it has some really cool ingredients. It has aqua, it has aloe vera leaf extract, it has cucumber extract, it has jojoba, vitamin E, glycerin, almond, wheat germ oil. So all these are like so hydrating and so nourishing. And now let me show you the texture of this product as well. Like, this is the packaging. It comes in this glass jar. This is how it looks like if the camera is capturing it. And now I'm gonna show you how hydrated it is. Like, you can see how much product I have used. I am regularly using it, like constantly using it day and night for about 20 days now, because I asked brand that I need at least 15 to 20 days to review this product, because I need to try it on myself and to see what difference does it make to my under eyes. And the texture is, oh my god, it is so beautiful. Like, you can see it looks so hydrating on the hand as well. Like, can you see extra dose of nourishment and moisturization to your eyes? And it has some very floral and fruity kind of fragrance, like mix of that. And yes, the fragrance is really good. So you need to wash your eyes, making sure to remove any traces of makeup or dirt. And after I'm done with my CTM, like cleansing, toning, moisturizing, then I apply a very small amount of this product, as you can see, and I apply it under my eyes and gently massage in circular motions until it is completely absorbed. And let me tell you guys, this is so hydrating that I love to apply it under my concealer. Concealer sits beautifully on this cream without making your under eyes look dry or cakey. Now my take on this product is like what I noticed and what I genuinely feel about this product. So it has some buttery formula. Like, the moment you apply it under your eyes and start massaging it, you will feel like butter, and it is so lightweight and gives a cooling sensation under your eyes, which is like so relaxing, and it is like immensely soothing and hydrating for my dry under eyes. And it is non-greasy and doesn't take too much time to get absorbed into skin. So yes, I'm using this cream like day and night, and to be very honest, I want to tell you one thing, that it leaves a tackiness behind. Like, there are many products that leaves your skin tacky. So yes, you will feel a little tackiness under your eyes, but that doesn't matter to me if the product is good. But it might take longer time to reduce dark circles. The very first thing I would like to tell you all, like, you have to use it constantly for about 4 to 6 weeks to see the difference in your dark circles. But if you are looking for puffy eyes, definitely it will work in 1 week only. I have noticed it by myself. Now the next product that I received from the brand is this Bella Vita Organic Gold Women Perfume, and it looks something like this, which I really love. I love the combination of black and gold. It makes look every product, like everything looks luxurious and premium. So yes, I really love the combo in this packaging. And now the quantity of this perfume is 100 ml for rupees 999, like 1000, but you will get this perfume for rupees 500. Yes, there is 50% off on their website. So everything about these products, Like when I have told you 500 rupees for this eye cream, you'll be getting it for rupees 350 or 400, because there are some amazing discounts on their website. So do not forget to check the description box. And now I can't wait to show you this product because it's really good. Okay, so I've just opened the box and the fragrance is like just bumped onto my face. It is very long lasting, and you know, it is very classic fragrance. So this is how this bottle looks like. Wow, the fragrance is so amazing, you guys. Like, I really love it. So definitely it is like a long lasting fragrance. When you look at their website, it is written like it stays up to 6 to 8 hours, but I don't think it's true. It stays longer than that. Like, I'm not saying they are faking it, but they have just written 6 to 8 hours, but I personally experienced it lasting for a one whole day. Trust me on that, I'm not even kidding. Yes, it stays for that long, and it is not overpowering, like, you know, that kind of fragrance which gives you a headache. No, it is not like that. It is very soothing, and also there are so many variants, so you can just check their website. But yes, I personally love this perfume. If you are looking for a good perfume, you must go in with it. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review. If you ask me whether I'm going to buy these products again or not, definitely yes. Yeah, if you have any other query, then do let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to check the description box for these product details, and they have some amazing discount on their website. So if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.